Alright, so introduction to the DIRTE Interceptor. And on out here, got rid of all three of my crews. Could find more later on, but they're getting so hard to find for this car. The ultimate dream car. Let's see if we can get her fired off today. It's pretty crazy. These cars are owned by like almost the elite muscle car enthusiasts, millionaires, people of culture, and some bearded guy in Graham. Hello everybody in YouTube land, and welcome to the most white trash interceptor in the world. Owned by me, Lane. #1 dream car. Was able to trade 3 crew cab Fords and some cash and squeak on by and get it. Some help from a lot of friends finding it, and yeah, gentleman that had it understood completely what my story was and the dream, and it's technically a 73 XA Falcon. Clear Washington title, everything in my name. The wings and stuff are in the back. Floors are decent. There's rot everywhere. Lots of mud in the quarter panels, and I don't care at all. Because this is my car. And I'm going to build it like my car. There's not going to be a single one like it. Mostly because everybody else has more money. Today we're going to try and see if I can get this Cleveland to run. Alright! Yes! No! Oh, yep. Nothing like treating a $100,000 muscle car like a $300 truck in the woods. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do for your dreams. Yeah. Well, can't figure out if the starter solenoid's bad, so I'm gonna do this while holding my phone, because I'm an idiot. Hey! Alright! We got spinny. Okay, the starter turns. The right thing to do would be to go buy a new starter solenoid, as the starter solenoid is bad. But the affordable thing to do is, grab this one out of an old truck. You see, what the communists want you to think, that there's just a right way and a wrong way. It turns out, through much experimentation, I found out there's a right way, a wrong way, and the right wrong way. Today, we're going to be doing things the right wrong way. Swapping the starter solenoid here with the one I had saved over from an old truck. Because, well, after getting said car, I am broke. Ew. Ew. I think I need a new one of those too. Well, that'll cause us some issues. What in the hell? Almost the right wrong way. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Look at them standing in a row. There we go. The right wrong way. Ah, yes. The right wrong way. Wish I had some tape, but I don't. Alright, got ourselves some Gorilla tape because gorillas are tough. Ready for Bathurst. Yeah, I know, it's terrible. But hey, just want to see if the cleaver does cleaver things. Alright, so, oh shit, sorry. Got the solenoid in there, got the routing right. Found this awesome battery cable. It's already got good things underneath of it, but it's better than that one. And looky here. Yeah, baby. Alright, so gotta make sure there's as many things on the fender as possible to make sure everything could possibly go wrong. Yep, I'm drinking your drink, Chase. So the carburetor is at a perfect idle 100% of the time. It's really good. The fans things. We're gonna find out if it has ATF in it really fast. But I'm so fucking excited. I don't even care. Don't even care. Wow, I really could have used that. Anyways, here we go. Oh my god, I am so excited right now. Thanks, Gordon. So, we'll put the fire maker right there. Ready? Oh my god. Well, shit. Oh my god. That is why. Alright, so getting cold fast, but I got some new points. Got a dizzy cap. Sprayed out the distributor a little bit. The rotor is stuck there forever. So, we're just going to leave it. Alright, so, cleaned out the dizzy a little bit. Got some goopum on the rotor. Threw some new points in it, adjusted them up. I tried to file them down, but it didn't work. Let's see if we got sparkies. Oh, yeah. Oh, she might do something. Okay, so here we go. Let's go, girl. Out in the middle of the woods. Man, I've waited for this moment for so long. And I know it's not even going to work. But it might. It might just run. Alright. Here we go. Oh my god, tried. Okay. I think I need an actual carburetor. Damn it. Okay, I got the bolts off this crusty old pig. Found a bunch of vacuum leaks. Oh my god. Some awesome guy or gal used RTV as a carb gasket. Son of a bitch. This is absolutely ridiculous. Oh my god. Jesus. What is wrong with people? Ah. How much is a carb gas? I mean, a damn beer box. Come on, people. This is super hard to do with one hand. Alright, I'm putting this down. What in the hell? Okay, so carburetor's off. Look at that. Why would you do that? Oh man. Guess I should have just throw that in the dirt. Ooh. Not a whole lot of faith in this here runner. Ooh. Fuck it. Alright, I'm doing what I should have done in the first place, but it was already being fucking turned over, so I'm like, what? You know, it's already got oil. What more damage could I do? Pull the plugs, see how they look. Ready? See if I can do this without dropping it in the dirt. Gross. Well, I'd like to say through the magic of YouTube land, I'm going to pull all these plugs in like no time flat. Boom! So, here's what we got. Exxon Valdez, crustacean. Looks like the inside of the oven of both of our apartments. Used to clean the inside of the oil pan. And then these ones are just fucking gross, covered in oil. So, now you know what you're thinking. You're thinking like, oh, okay, new motor time. No, not because I'm not a quitter. It's because I'm broker. I'm a broke. So what I'm going to do is get a set of plugs, throw it in this turd. Good news is there's no rust on the plugs. Absolutely none. I don't see any rust, any trailer rust. I think it was just kind of moisture from sitting. So I'm going to soak the cylinders down real good, get a new set of plugs, rebuild a carburetor of some sort, and go from there. If I didn't find what I just found, I would actually go and steal the carburetor off Merle over there. So that was the plan. Just go and steal the carburetor off it, but after seeing that the plugs are absolutely disgusting, I think I should hold up a second and think about this. So I'm going to get a set of plugs. It'll be fun to get Autolite or Holly or something of that nature. The one right there, that thing is screwed. So, I know you want to hear it run. So did I, obviously. But not in this video. But it does make noise. I did not lie. It makes noise. So the trailer trash interceptor will run. It will. And then I will do hellacious burnouts with it like a poor person does with all of their vehicles. That bitch is mine. So I am just over the moon. I am so excited that it cranked. It's just the feeling I cannot even describe. Cannot even describe the feeling. Being able to attain this dream and do it all Forrest Gumpy in the mud and the woods and the whatever. I'm going to get it under cover. I'm going to do what I can to get her going. Get a lot of hate for the way I may be doing things to get her going, but I'm just getting her going. I know the right way. As long as you know the right way, you can break the rules and do it the wrong way. So there we go, guys. I'm going to cover up. I'll give you an update. Thanks for watching my dream unfold.